This is 6-liter Sous Vide household using model, which is Sous Vide and also has ultrasonic in addition for facilitate the even heat during the slow cooking. And also you can use as a cleaner individual function. So mainly we are used as Sous Vide to press these buttons to start the Sous Vide cooking. Now the temperature is already reached our set level. The time is 1 hour and 30 minutes. We can put the vacuum bag direct into the pan, then close the lid to Sous Vide cook. Each time, this pan, 6-liter, can contain about 2 kg of stuff. And also we have a basket, which can help easier handling, transfer the food back into the pan. And we also have the van, which can separate each bag more precisely. So this is the overall introduction of our SUV 6-liter home use model.